Hey there viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The reason it's in the shop is the customer has rotated their tires and things don't match up on the dashboard. So we're going to use the OTC 3838 TPMS tool. I believe on this truck you can probably get away with using just a generic TPM activator. When I look at service information, you don't actually have to interface at all with the computer in this truck. So they took that away from us a couple of years back, made you use a scan tool, and it seems, cross your fingers, that we have that luxury again. So let's take a look at this truck. Let's program these TPMs. Let's make it happen. First things first, let's set the tire pressure to the recommended specification. Perfect. All right, pardon the old one-handed handheld here. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll, and then we're gonna hit the plus. We're gonna hold, wait for it. And you can see tire learning active. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna scroll over to sensor activation. We can use pretty much any tool we want to activate these because the computer itself is gonna do the relearn procedure. We just need this tool to wake them up. So you will see the blinkers illuminate and the horn will honk upon acknowledgement. So right here, and if you see it's gonna ask me to activate the left front. So the left front blinker is on bright and the mirror is, its red blinker is on as well. We just simply walk up to the TPM, hit activate. Now that mirror is illuminated. We just make sure we put the tool right up by the valve stem. Okay, we're back in the truck. You can see our information has indeed updated. You can head over here to the scan tool and hopefully there's not too much glare on the screen. You can see that our numbers pretty much match. So not a big deal, pretty easy procedure. Well, there you got it, folks. That is how you reset or relearn or reprogram, whatever your adjective is, the TPM system on your 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. So pretty easy procedure. It's nice to see that back, being able to use a generic tool, if you will. The OTC 3838 does interface with the computer for like Toyotas and some of the older Chevrolets that actually require physical programming when you do a tire rotation. So this was a little bit easier, but the 3838 works absolutely wonderful for that. So it also will reprogram if I need to replace one of these TPM sensors. So it's kind of how it goes. As always, make sure you release that parking brake before you ship this thing outside, because some folks, they will drive off with that brake set. So give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, smash that subscribe button if that's your thing. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.